We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. Today we're going to be reviewing the Lexmark MS810 printer. We'll be conducting 4 comprehensive tests to evaluate its performance. A pages per minute test, a color darkness and font test, overview of the printer's features, and a wired printing speed test. Then we'll be giving the printer an Onyx score. Let's start things off with the pages per minute test. We'll have the printer push out as many pages as it can in 1 minute. Impressive! This printer managed to print 49 pages in just 1 minute, which makes it the best among its competitors. Next up is the color darkness and font test. We'll print a test page with a variety of font sizes and colors to assess the printer's true performance. As you can see, the printer's color darkness is good and it handles different font sizes fairly well. Now let's delve into the features of this printer. For those of you who are printer enthusiasts, you'll find more details in the description. This printer is a limited machine that can only print. It prints at a speed of 49 pages per minute. It has a 550 sheet input tray, uses one 521 or one 521H cartridge, and takes one 52D0Z00 drum and is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Unix operating systems. It also supports mobile printing and has standard USB and Ethernet connectivity. It comes with a 2.4-inch color LCD display, which Energy Star qualified energy efficiency, and it includes a 1-year limit unit exchange warranty. Now let's rate the printer with an Onyx score and wrap up with our final thoughts. The Lexmark MS810 is a robust printer designed primarily for printing tasks. Its solid construction ensures durability and it handles everyday printing needs with ease. It comes with a 2.4-inch color LCD display and supports mobile printing. However, it has some limitations. It lacks copying, scanning, faxing, and emailing capabilities. If you require a more versatile printer with features like a user-friendly touchscreen, duplex printing, and the ability to fax and email, we recommend upgrading to the Lexmark MX611. The MX611 is more suitable for busy work settings and provides a wider variety of features. It comes with a 7-inch color touchscreen and supports a print, copy, fax, email, and scan functions. It also boasts print speeds of up to 50 pages per minute and a maximum input capacity of up to 2,300 sheets. This makes the MX611 a more comprehensive solution for your printing needs. Thank you for joining me in this review and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.